How to use Ticketmaster mobile tickets. In this video, I'll show you how you use Ticketmaster using the mobile app on the tickets that you purchase. So this is going to be the usual or the general application of Ticketmaster. However, it may not be available for some of the countries. But what you want to need to do first is to pull up, or after you made the purchase on the tickets that you prefer, you will usually receive an email including the specific link. So if you tap on the link and then this application is not available on your region, what you want to have to do next is to go into your Google Play Store application. And then this is going to be the application that you need to download. So once you tap on the link, it will automatically route you into the specific application, which is going to be the fan wallet. And then all you just need to do is to download or save the QR code that was being generated to you for you to be able to show that once you visited or you go into the specific store, depending on the ticket that you purchase. And that's how you use Ticketmaster mobile tickets.